My name is Chef Don McMillan, and we're going to create a classic fried egg cheeseburger. Do we have a classic for you? This is my fried egg cheeseburger. Can you believe it? Fried egg cheeseburger. Oh, we're gonna grill this baby. It's gonna be delicious. So you definitely have to stick around and get all my helpful tips because it's just gonna make your mouth water. You're gonna have to want one right away. So please let me know in the comments below how you think about it. What do you think about eggs on burgers? Let me know so we can have a conversation going. Please like us. And also, I would let me know if you're going to sign up for us because we definitely want you to subscribe. Because when you do, you're going to get all of my great recipes from years of cooking and lots of sharing. Now, my name is Chef Don McMillan, and we're going to create a classic fried egg cheeseburger. So here's the ingredients I'm going to use to create the best fried egg cheeseburger. I have tomatoes, lettuce, bacon, avocado, cheddar cheese, brioche buns. I've saved the grease from my bacon, so we're gonna put the bacon grease on the buns, and we're gonna cook the eggs in the bacon grease. Oh my God, this is so good. Can't wait to do it. So on my meats, check this out. I've got ground beef, I've got ground pork, and I got ground veal. We've got about an 80-20 blend, so there's about 20% fat in here because we do need the fat, and we're gonna just mix all these together and make the best burgers. Check it out. Let's put our three meats together. Make them happy. We're gonna divide it in half and create two wonderful burgers. You're gonna love this. All right. Let's see, that looks about half. We don't want to cheat anybody out of that, do we? All right, let's round them up. Place one on the plate, round the other one up. Place on the plate and just give it a little bit of a push down. Okay, we've created our patties. I'm just going to flatten them down and put them into the right shape and get them ready to go on the grill. Let's get these on the grill. There's one. And the second one, I want to put a little salt and pepper on them. Okay, now I've got my bacon grease. Let's go ahead and place that on the buns. Place it right there on the grill. We're going to toast our brioche buns. I'm going to put a little bit of that wonderful bacon grease on the top. Might as well make them all happy. Get that on there. Okay, let's go ahead and put our grill top down and let them cook, and after a while I'm going to flip them, put some cheese on top, and boy are they ever going to be the best. But we're not going to be finished, so stick around because we've got lots more wonderful tips to share. Okay, let's check these burgers. Whoa, nice and juicy. I've got them cooked on both sides. Look at that. Whoa. This is a killer burger. Well, let's just make it better. Cheddar cheese here and cheddar cheese there. We'll close the grill, let that cheese melt, and we're ready to create the best cheese, bacon, cheddar burger. Oh my God, I can't even, there's so many words I have to get down to say them all. They're so good. Okay, we're getting ready to finish this up. The French people, they have an idiom, and they say to make an omelet, you have to break some eggs. Well, for us today, to make a fried egg cheeseburger, we got to break some eggs. So here we go. Break it always on a flat surface. Open it up right there into our frying pan. Let it cook just a little bit. While that's cooking up, I'm going to go ahead and dress the rest of our burger. I have here some lettuce. Let's get that on there. Yes, come on. Get in there nice and cook up. Yeah, cooking up. All right, I've got some avocado. You know this is going to be a good burger. Get that avocado in there. Let's get a little mater in there. Tomato for you. Tomato for you. And bacon. Why not, right? Slice of bacon here. Slice of bacon there. Some onions. We cook those in the bacon grease too. Everything is bacon today. This is our bacon burger, you could say. And of course, a sunny side egg. Or if you wish, you can flip it and have an egg over easy. You do want it to be runny, so let's go ahead and place that right there on our burger. Whoa, look at that. That is so good, we're gonna do it again. A little more of my bacon onion grease here. Yeah, you know it's good. Break the egg on a flat surface. Open it up. Let it cook. And if this is not the best burger you ever put in your mouth, I don't know what is. But I know this is such a wonderful burger. Fried egg cheeseburger cooked with onion and bacon fat. Oh, wow. And all these other toppings. This is a meal and a half. Believe me, it is really there. Let's go ahead and move our burger just a little bit. When you use a non-stick pan, always keep your heat on moderate to lower. Don't cook on high heat. That's a mistake. Let's flip our egg and turn the heat off. And it's nice. Look at that. They're going right out of here on our burger, and bang, there it is. Okay, it doesn't get better than this. Be sure that you like us. We'd love for you to do that. You send me your comments. The recipe is in the description below. And of course, you have to subscribe. Let me know so I can leave you a personal thank you. And remember, as always, with Chef Don's recipes, my goodness, they're all simple and delicious.